how to start Wokwi. You go to Google, you have an account Google. Here I have my account Google. I'm Alain Linard. Voilà. Et you tap Wokwi, enter. Okay, you come to Wokwi. You go to the doc. You go to your inscription. I don't know what you have. Me, I have this. You go to your project. In fact, you can fill your profile, username, etc., etc. And after that, you start to go to my project, and you choose. You choose which card you want to use. Let's say that you want Uno. You choose the Uno, of the Nano, of chip. Okay, you can do what you want. If you choose the chips, you have only the chips. That's the way of starting. So you start, you click here, and you click on your photo, if you have one. And you click on my project, and you have your project here. Yes, I will take this lesson to make an easy simulation on Wokwi. For that, you go to wokwi.com, you sign up with the Google account, and then you sign in, and you go here. You come in the doc, you go to here, and you go to my project, and you create a project like I have done here. I have already made the sketch, the programmation, and also the picture, but I will modify some presentation to have a better view, a bigger picture here. So I will delete this connection to make it short. I choose it, I push on delete, and then I make it back. It was to the ground. I go from the minus of the LED, which is a diode, lighting diode, and I go to the ground. No, pas là. And I go to the ground. Voilà. It's better like this because it's bigger. So what we can see is just the same as I have shown you in the previous lesson with the breadboard. We can use because you have also in the library, you have also breadboard. I have seen it. Down. Yes, you see, you have a full breadboard. If you can click on it, you have it, you see, and you can make the connection like, but we don't need it because we make directly the connection. So I will delete this breadboard. I choose it, and I do delete, and it's gone. So I to make simple the connection. I make a connection. This bouton poussoir, if connection directly connection now normalement close. I mean a connection between these 2 points, this point and this point and this point. So it's connected. The port 12 is connected to a resistor. Resistor is connected to the ground. Which value of this resistor is 220 ohm, like here. What else? This connection is connected on the other side to the 5 volt. When you push to the button, the connection is horizontally instead of vertically. So this point is connected, and this is connected to the port 13. and is minus to the ground. So what we will do, we will say I use the port 13. The port 13 is the LED pin. There's the LED connection. So I say LED pin 13. Why? Because LED pin is easy to use LED pin that to use all the time the port 13. LED pin, we say this is defined for the port 13. Is the LED port. We have the push button, the status of the push button go to the port 12. So we see that the status is directly connected with little resistance now the ground, to not let the status of the 12 port to float in the air. We put it to 0 to be sure this is 0, and we have a little down. And when we push to the button, the connection go to the right and is connected to the plus. I push in the start simulation. You see the simulation run, so it's a good sign. I will push on the button, so the connection from the port 12 will not be 0, but will be 1, because it's 5 volt. We will see up the 5 volt. You see that the LED is burning here, but also the LED from the Uno board. This LED is also burning. So in fact, this is under 50 kilo ohm, and not 220 ohm like that. Why? Because the current on the LED must be limited. So we will see what's happened when we start the simulation. We push on the button and you will see that the light is up. So let's go in the side of the programmation. First, that the bouton poussoir, the status of the bouton poussoir is on the port 12. We will see 0 of 5 volt, so low 0 of height and 1. Nous voyons aussi que le bouton poussoir pin est le 13. The 13, c'est un bouton poussoir. 13 is the bouton poussoir pin. He will give the status on this resistance. So if the status is high, you is fail volt a little bit mean, but also enough to light this LED, because it go to the ground. And if it's 0, it will be output. There's an output. I put the 5 of 0 volt outside output. We make after that a delay from millisecond is 1 second, and we loop forever. It's an integer. It's a digital read bouton pin. Bouton pin, we know there's the 12. So now, if we start the simulator, we see that nothing is on. We see that no light, no the board, no LED on the board of the Uno, or no LED here as lighting. That will say that the button, if the button is low, if the button is not pressed, the digital right LED pin, the pin 13 is low, so it's 0. So it's normal that the LED doesn't burn. And else, if the bouton poussoir is pushed, then the LED pin is high, is 5 volt. So the 13 is 5 volt. If we push here, we see it's 5 volt. Now, to make a test, to see, we will cross these two wires. We will put this one on the minus and the other the ground of the plus. And normally this LED I have to stop the simulation. I will delete this connection. I select it, I delete. I delete this one. I delete. And I put this one to the minus and the ground to the plus. Is on the plus of the diode. The core is blocked. We will run the simulator. The simulator run, and we will push the button. We see that the LED doesn't burn because they block the current, but we see that the LED in the card of Uno well burned. So our test is good luck. So I stop the simulator and I will put back to the plus. And because this is the plus, I will make red. So I choose it. It's not easy. And I will make red. Okay? And the order will stay black. I take the ground 2, for example, and I go up. No, I will not go there. I don't like to oop. And go there. Voila. Now I can save the project. I will save it and it's working. We try again. We start the simulation and we push and we see that the LED is blinking. Piece of cake. Okay. I stop the simulation and I save a copy. Yeah, it's only the save a copy. Public and start. Okay, save a copy.